Let's try some piggy banking. Free play Saturday. Come on. One more spin. Okay, let's try another piggy. Put my other ticket in for my second 10, 2 cent bet. See if we can get some. Come on. Come on. Terrible. Yeah. If you guys thought, like and subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna 20 piggy banking bonus. Let's go. Fill it up. Come on. Come on. Do it. One here and there. Come on. Yes. Okay, come on, do it. Bottom row. Okay. Reset that. Let's do it back up. A couple more. Two more. One more. Come on. Okay, let's try another 5 cents on this. See if we can do it. 2 cent bet. Put my other ticket in. Come on, baby, then. Let's go. Come on. One more left. Saturday. Okay, I just got the free Spanish. Let's try this. Come on. Do it. Come on. Come on. Okay. Fill them up. $6. Let's go back up. Couple more. One more. Speed of travel. I'm not impressed with the Okay, let's try this one. This is called Jackpot Force Pink. Try this on my suitcase, see what we can do. Put my ticket in. Replay Saturday and let it go. Go play this.
Yeah.
One more step. Okay, this is rock, big blue rock near park. Let's try this. See what we can do. Add the ticket in. Dollar bet. Five more left. Come on. Yay, I guess I got the bonus. Oh, I got the all right here. Make sure it's my last one. Yep. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll be back. Take this ticket and see if we can do something else. Thanks for watching. Let's see my free ticket over here. Let's see if we can do something false. Come on. Let's go. Minor. With the progressives up there. Come on. That's bad. Not Powerball. I'll take $636. go for yellow. Let's see what we do. Come on, first spin. Come on, hold and spin, hold and spin. Oh, jeez. That's terrible. Where's my wild? Sunday. One more left. Okay, let's do the other 9 spins. One more left. Last one. Okay, I'll do that. You guys know. Yeah, put in the other ticket. Play ticket. Let's see what we can do. Come on, give me some big balls. Give me some color balls. Come on. Do something. Come on. You? Come on, top left or right. Uh-oh. Do it. Okay, that'll work.